Could you give some specific examples of some of the disruptive strategies that you've seen service providers experiment with recently, and what results have they been seeing?
So there's a lot of experimentation going on amongst the enterprises themselves on how to exploit Gen AI value. One client I know, for example, was able to reduce its staff quotient by 50% over a period of time because they could start to replace its call center capabilities with a Gen AI capability using GPT-4 at the time, which not only drove down obviously the need for this many people, but it also actually reduced the amount of Salesforce licenses that they had as well. We've seen deals signed around inventory management, data forecasting and predictability, these types of areas. We've seen a lot of not just Gen AI, but also traditional algorithmic AI built into the equations where there's a longer term outlook and a different way of starting to look at how do we pay for this. I will say right now, the services industry hasn't figured out exactly how to charge for this in the perfect world and how to pay for it. How do we position this to clients? How should we expect them to compensate us down the road if we're not providing 500 bodies to deliver this service, that sort of thing? But it is in play. And there's a definite desire amongst, I'd say, around 10% of enterprises right now looking to reconstruct their existing relationships and look at them to be based more on the outcomes and the value and the data value. So the focus is moving away from just cost reduction to value, data quality, and other things. And I've even argued with many folks in the industry that we shouldn't even call BPO anymore. We should call it BDS, business data services, because we need to rethink how we account for value and account for outcomes and reconstitute relationships that deliver more quality and value to the clients.